Hi, I'm Mila, and my magic pet Morphle can morph into anything I want. Ooh, it's such a hot day, Morphle. We should have an ice cream. Ooh, ice cream. Huh? What's that?
That's my new magic pet. He loves the cold.
That's not a magic pet, Daddy. It's a penguin.
What? Ah, so that's why it didn't seem to have any magic powers.
We should bring it back to the South Pole. Morphle, morph into a hot air balloon.
I can't believe I thought that poor penguin was a magic pet. Thank you for helping, Mila and Morphle. I already found a new magic pet for the Magic Pet store. This time, I'm sure I got it right. Perfect.
Morphle, morph into a hot air balloon. Yay! Ah! Welcome to my birthday party.
Mila, here's your birthday present.
Thank you, Daddy. Look, Morphle. Daddy gave me a balloon for my birthday. Oh! Oh, no! The wind swept away my birthday present. Let's go after it, Morphle. Morphle, go!
Take your binoculars, Mila.
Thanks, Daddy.
Bye!
Bye! Ah! Oh? You're not my balloon. Hello. Huh? Let's go find my balloon, Morphle. Bye-bye.
lost my hat somewhere around here, but where?
There it is. Here you go.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Good luck finding your balloon.
Bye-bye. Oh! Wow! It's a cloud castle. And there's my balloon. Up we go.
Huh?
Oh!
Yay!
Wow!
Finally, someone at my party.
Mr. Cloud? Can I have that balloon, please? It was my birthday present.
Your birthday present? I thought somebody must have sent it to me for my birthday.
It's your birthday, too? Thanks. Yay! Bye! Poor thing. There is no one at his party. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Huh?
We're back.
Hi there.
Hooray! Welcome, everybody!
Happy birthday, Mr. Cloud.
Happy birthday, Mila!
Morphle, morph into a giant dump truck.
Great. This Giantophelous is way too big to fit in my Magic Pet delivery van, but this giant dump truck is perfect. Okay, bring the Giantophelous to the junkyard. That's where his new companion lives. But be careful, because the Giantophelous can be very playful.
Okay, Daddy. The Giantophelous is so big. Morphle, look! Great, Morphle!
Hey, not in my city.
Okay, now go say hi to your new human companion.
Hi, Giantophelous. Hey, what do you have there? Ah, great. You already found your first old car to wreck. Okay, Giantophelous. Smash it. No! That's my car! You are under arrest.
Please don't arrest him, Police Officer Freeze. He didn't mean to steal your car. He just really likes playing with cars.
Yes, that's why I can use him here on the junkyard.
Well, I guess that's a fine place for him then. As long as he doesn't cause more trouble in my city. He's the nerve. Can you believe this? No. What a day. Oh, what a day. Besides, I don't think I even have a jail cell big enough for him.
Morphle, today is the last day before the new year starts.
Fireworks!
Wow! We made a lot of new friends this year, Morphle. Morphle, morph into a flying house so we can pick up all the new friends we made this year.
Where it go?
Let's go to Phoebe first. Hi, Mila and Morphle. Hi, Phoebe. Morphle and I are picking up all the new friends we made this year for the New Year's celebration. Would you like to come with us? That's a great idea. Of course I'll come with you. The next one we need to pick up is in the mountains as well.
Mountain Giant!
Hi, Mountain Giant. We are gathering all our new friends for the New Year celebration. Would you like to come with us as well? Let's go, Morphle. I thought their new home was here.
Toy dinosaurs! Yeah!
Do you want to come with us as well? Oh no! The toy dinosaurs will never fit! Morphle, morph into a bigger house! Great! Next up is... There she is! Shelly the mermaid!
Pick up morph wings!
Hi, Mr. Mayor. Is something wrong?
Hi, Mila. When we got here for the New Year celebration, all the fireworks were gone.
Oh, no! I think I could help with that. Morphle, morph into an airplane. Happy New Year!
Oh no, I'm late for the official start of the election of mayor.
Morphle, morph into a car.
Oh, Thank you, Mila and Morphle.
With this zapper that we stole from Professor Rashid, we can zap anyone into a deep sleep.
Huh?
And with the mayor asleep, no one can stop us from winning the elections.
Oh no, we're helping Mayor.
I have an idea.
This chain of office will be given to the next mayor. And just like every year, the only candidate is the mayor. But where is he?
We will be the new mayors.
The mayor bandits. Get it, Stein?
When we become the new mayors, we promise free video games for everyone.
Wait!
Huh?
It's me, the mayor. When I become the new mayor again, I promise everyone gets ice cream!
You are running a great campaign, Mr. Mayor. Cleaner beaches are exactly what this city needs. Huh? What's that?
We will really clean up the beaches.
Oops.
Oops.
You need to help them more. I mean, Mr. Mayor. I'll help you. Let's set this thing to blowing.
Oh, no. Wow, that was amazing, Mr. Mayor. Wow, the mayor is planting more trees. This is exactly what the people want.
We will cut down his new trees.
Yeah, with these giant scissors.
More! Mayor! You need to stop them!
Wow! You saved us once again, Mr. Mayor. And the elections are this afternoon. The winner of the election and the city's new mayor is the mayor! Huh?
Okay, Morphle, it's story time! Once upon a time, there was a mama duck whose eggs were about to hatch. When they did, little baby ducks came out. All of them were super cute and fluffy, except for one of the ducklings. It was different because it was big and red, and it didn't have any feathers. And instead of quacking, it sounded like this.
It's a duckling!
It was wanted to play with its brothers and sisters, but they said it was ugly, and they made fun of it. Yes, the brothers and sisters of the duckling were really mean. It made the duckling very sad. So sad that it flew off to play by itself. And when it was there by itself, all sad, all of a sudden, a giant dinosaur appeared. It chased the little duckling around. The little duckling flew for its life. There were big dinosaurs everywhere. Then it flew into the claws of a giant flying dinosaur called the pterodactyl. The little duckling was sure that the pterodactyl was about to eat it. But it didn't. Do you know why?
No, Morphle, no.
Because it was the duckling's real mother. You see, the duckling wasn't really a duckling. When it was just an egg, it accidentally rolled into the duckling's nest. The duckling grew larger and larger until it was just as big as its mommy. The end.
Dino Duckling, go see our brothers and sisters.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. So, the Dino Duckling went back to visit its mean brothers and sisters. And they were bullying a new duckling because it had big feet. Yeah, and the Dino Duckling roared really loudly, and it chased away its mean brothers and sisters. And they lived happily ever after. The